Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? Listen, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. My goal this bull run is to maximize profits and to help everyone with it. I've been doing technical analysis for years now, so I'm going to try my best to time and sell near the top. And I'm going to be sharing it, when I sell and when it's time to sell. And if you want to follow along, obviously that's, up to you. But if that sounds good, then make sure to subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, Caspa community, my bad for slacking. We will start posting more Caspa videos on the regular. I don't know if every day, but I'm going to try to do it 2 to 3 times a week at the minimum. I know I kind of left you guys in the dark, and I'm sorry for that. Listen, Caspa's roadmap, okay? So this is one of the roadmaps. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce this word. Crescendo. Okay, there we go. I did it. I was gonna, I already cut my wings short because I was gonna say I can't pronounce it, and I just did it. So, anyways, listen, life is funny sometimes. Look, anyways, let's get serious for it real quick. Look, Crescendo roadmap update. Launch and stabilize completed. Identify bottlenecks completed, right? Some kind of improvement completed. Enhance user experience ongoing. Additional features ongoing. And then these two, feature freeze date and hard fork version date to be determined. But we can see, to put it into the most new perspective, Caspa is doing stuff. Caspa is active, ladies and gentlemen. This is looking good. You know what I say on this channel, any type of upgrade, any type of exchange listing, anything, collaboration, dabbling into other narratives, no matter what it is, right? Small, medium, big is going to be a win for Caspa. Okay. This is going to be the difference between $1.50 Caspa, $1.70 Caspa, $2, $2.50, right? All of these updates the next few weeks, I'm going to say the next 2 months, really pushing it, right? Right before altcoin season, anything right before altcoin season officially starts booming is going to be the difference between, like I said, $1.50, $2, $2.50 Caspa. Okay. And now you may be wondering, well, if all of these updates and everything is happening, why is Caspa dumping? Well, ladies and gentlemen, look, you have to zoom out and you have to realize everything is dumping. Okay. So it's not just Caspa. This is not a Caspa issue. Let's just put it out there right away. Okay. This is not a Caspa issue. It is the whole market getting tested right now. And the market makers are attempting to shake people out. Okay. That is the reality. Okay. They know that we know that altcoin season is going to happen in a few months, but they know they could also shake out many positions. All right. Have people panic sell, on a red day, have people's leverage trades blow up, because the reality is a lot of people are going to try to time, and get into position on a very high leverage right before the expansion, right? Right before the easy up move. And they don't want people turning $500 to 5 million. Okay. That is the reality. Okay. So everything is getting shaken out. So this is not a Caspa issue. Listen, we did get a rejection here, but like I said, this is not really a Caspa thing. We did talk about, Caspa pulling back to potentially around the 13-cent area, and it did just that. It went a little bit lower. It went 12 cents. Now, here's the one thing I'm worried about Caspa, okay? When we look at the markets in terms of the market makers, I could see a double bottom here. So they know people are going to have stop losses here. Okay, they're going to have stop losses here. They're going to have positions here. And I believe there's a chance Caspa can dump right below 10 cents, roughly to 8.5, going to this institutional candle right over here, and then going back up very, very quickly, right? That's what I think is going to happen with Caspa. Now, can it just leave it alone and not do it? Yes, but this is the way I've been taught. This is what I know from the market makers, the institutional type plays, is they love sweeping liquidity. Okay. And there's a double bottom right here, clear as day. So for me, all I see is booby trap. Okay. That is the way I view the markets. So I just want people to be very, very careful about this. Okay. About this area. You could potentially set a buy limit here. You could say even a buy limit here, that if you think it's going to, tap here again. Not a leverage limit, but just for spot. And I would just be very, very careful because this is the last relevant candle, because this one took out this liquidities, and this one for me, it just seems too good for it not to be a booby trap. Okay, so that is just something I have to point out from the technical side. Listen, there's more on the fundamental side for Caspa. Okay, actually, one thing I did see, I saw a comment under here. Right, Caspa is a top loser, guys. If you believe in a project, like projects making constant moves, do not worry. Okay, we already know Caspa has a very, very strong consolidation zone. It's been going sideways for a year now. Although you might be pretty much getting fed up with this, you have to realize the bang is going to be huge on this coin. Okay, the bang is going to be huge on this coin. Not only that, if we go on Caspa, we can see Caspa is not listed on the two big boys. And it's, there's also another few more exchanges that you can go on where it's really going to increase its volatility, and, it's going to bring more users on. Okay. We still don't have Binance, we still don't have Coinbase, and we still don't have some other big boys. So this is also positive. Now, we do need Caspa to get to work on that and do this before the altcoin season. I will say that, because midway or after is going to be really, really irrelevant in my opinion. Okay. But as at the moment, this is still a green sign. So there's a lot more money to be coming, ladies and gentlemen. Now, listen, one final little update for Caspa. There is a new listing, right? New listing alert on this exchange. Now, 27,000 followers, not the biggest, but like I always say, any win is a win, ladies and gentlemen, right? This is the official Caspa page. Look, another listing, ladies and gentlemen. So they're making moves, 126,000 followers. That's pretty respectable, okay? That is really, really respectable at the end of the day. And we can see, right? They're making moves. They're making updates. They're working, right? They're not sleeping. So Caspa's constantly doing stuff. I highly, highly recommend following Caspa. Look, it's already at 234,000 followers. And I believe, this will reach over 1 million followers this bull run. Now, the followers are not the most important, but anything helps. What I'm trying to say is this will become a lot more popular. As we know, Caspa is one of the most fundamental, well-sounded coins, right? Like I always say, not to argue with people, but it is in the top 10, all right? And I'm being generous to other coins. It is in the top 10 in terms of fundamentals. And, we know countries are adopting Caspa. Sorry, not adopting Caspa. They're adopting Bitcoin and crypto in general. And anything fundamentally in the crypto scene will eventually start getting more and more respected and more adopted. That's where they're going to start with, okay? They're not going to start with the meme coins and, like weak narratives. They're going to go to the real world assets. They're going to go to things that can actually improve the world, the fastest technology, the best technology, and Caspa falls right under that, ladies and gentlemen. So do not worry. The whole market's bleeding. This is not a Caspa problem. I love you guys so, so much. Christmas is just around the corner. Make sure to enjoy the holidays. If the market stresses you out, I highly recommend, just taking a break a little bit, man. It's just taking a break. You got to remember, we are also ending, the yearly candle, right? For all the coins, we are ending the year. So the yearly candle is coming to an end, okay? Just know there is green in the very near future. Just be patient. Just, stay up to date with Caspa. Educate yourself a little bit. Watch Caspa videos, and, just get ready for the bull run. But that is it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in the very near future. Bye-bye.